Good evening, everyone. I'm Weatherman Riley King, and welcome to this weather update of the blizzard of 2016. Let's get started. As I look on radar right now, and here's the path of the blizzard. Now let's take a look at your weather for Washington, D.C., New York City, and Boston. Weather in Washington, D.C., light snow slash wind 28 degrees, snowfall 20 to 30 inches. Weather in New York City, light snow 27 degrees, snowfall 24 to 28 inches. And the weather in Boston, light snow slash wind 19 degrees, snowfall 1 to 3 inches. And that does it for your weather update on the blizzard of 2016. Good night, everyone. Bye.